Okay, welcome back. So today is the final day of making green the highlighter. As you can see, he is not as around this as he was last time you saw this. But that's because I'm going to use aluminum foil and then wrap it around in parchment paper to fill it inside so it won't collapse in the oven. Wait. Trying to make sure it's the right amount of tightness. This is harder than I thought.
Okay. I'll hold it steady.
Okay. I think it was that side.
Yep.
Wait, it's not in line. Okay, I think that's better.
Smooth it over.
Yep. This is very hard because I'm trying to put it in when it won't stay still. So it's very frustrating. Ooh, I am really trying to keep this together. Make sure it's not gonna just fall apart on me. Come on. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work, Dad. It just completely went in.
Okay, that's probably because we pushed it a little bit too hard there. Let's just try to reshape him. What we have to do is we have to be a little bit softer on the body.
It's hard because...
Hold on 1 second. I have to squeeze this a little bit tighter. Pause.
Okay, so now we're gonna retry that. Oh gosh, this might be hard.
First, let's put the pieces in.
Yeah.
And then gently smooth it over without pushing down too hard.
It's kind of hard because you need pressure. Hold on. Okay.
I'm just gonna get the oven ready.
Okay. Let's reposition you guys. This is the oven. And we're gonna put both of these in the oven without it, hopefully without it, like, falling apart, collapsing.
And if it does, we'll learn for next time.
Yeah. I'm just hoping that I didn't just make like so much videos so that it could collapse. Okay.
How do you want the legs and your arms?
So I want the legs like this, and I want the arms like this.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to cook for 15 to 20 minutes.
Yep, 15 to 20 minutes. So, yeah, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so now we're going to, take it out of the oven. Remember, always, always wear a mitten when doing this, and always have an adult.
That's right.
And we're gonna let it cool down for like a little while, but it looks pretty good so far. I'm not gonna touch it immediately because it just came out of the oven. I don't want to burn my hands, so yeah. Okay, so they came out pretty well. I mean, it didn't collapse on itself, so that's good. Oh gosh.
Now the question is to see if they fit. You want to try?
Yeah.
If not, we'll get a different size pen. Maybe from the bottom up. Do you want to try?
Yes, please.
We will look for a different size pen.
Oh, come on. It would have been so perfect if it just fit. Like, that looks good.
Is it paused or playing?
Just playing.
Okay. Oh, nope, that's pulling it back out a little bit, so that's too big.
Let's scrape the old clay off of this. Okay, so that didn't work. It's actually kind of, that's upsetting.
Oh, that's not the lid though.
I know. And there is a tiny crack here, as you can see, but we can patch that up. And on the actual highlighter, that happened. I don't know what caused it. It just happened.
Let me just see something.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna be able to be fixed easily.
If we can find a green one of these, we can take this part off, and this actually fit in that body pretty well.
Oh yeah, it would.
Let me see this one. I think this one's too wide.
Oh gosh.
Oh, yep. It's cracking in the back if I push it up too wide.
Maybe we should stop.
Yep.
Well,
But that's basically how you do it.
Yeah, that's how you do it. If you want to try it yourself, Learn from my mistakes. Yeah, this was really frustrating.
But we'll get there.
It can't even go on like this properly anymore.
We'll figure that out.
Well, make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, you should try this out for yourself. Learn from my mistakes. Bye.